Okay, folks, exercise number 2, it says simplify. Now this one, I'm multiplying fractions. But before I multiply fractions, I want to factor and cancel to make this thing as simple as possible. Okay? Now, when I look at the first fraction, the numerator is a monomial, so I'm just going to leave it as 10x to the 4th. But on the bottom, I can pull out a 6, and that gives me x minus 2. Okay, so it's fully factored. Now I need to factor this other one. Lauren Stewart, what do I do to factor the top or the numerator of the second one? Like this? Uh-huh. Negative 2? Positive 1, because they multiply to give me negative 2 and they add to give me negative 1. Okay? Good. Now this is a monomial, so I'm just going to bring it down and put 4x. Grayson, did it ask me to state the restrictions? No. Good, so I don't have to worry about that. I know now I can go ahead and cancel these x minus 2's. That's easy. I can cancel this 4, 2 goes into it. With the 10, 2 goes into that, so I get 5. I can also cancel this x here with one of the 4 on the numerator there, so this turns into x cubed now. Is there anything else I can factor out? I mean, I can cancel, Jet? I don't think so. I think that's it. Let's multiply and see what we get. So on top I've got 5x cubed times x plus 1, this times that. And then on the bottom I have 6 times 2 times 12. Everything's factored. Do you see anything that I missed, Lauren? See? The 5 can't cancel with the 12. There are no x's on the bottom, no x plus 1s. So that's it. That's my answer. You do not have to multiply it back in. If you do, it will not be wrong. If you don't, it will not be wrong. I like seeing them factored because then it's easy to say, look, there's nothing left to cancel. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and look at the next one. See if I can get 2 on this one. Oh, exercise number 3, it says divide. Okay? It's the same thing. I just need to flip the second one and multiply. So I'm going to go ahead and factor the top. Does anybody see, what is that? Raise your hand. Libby? It's the difference of 2 squares. Good. So it's 2x minus 5 times 2x plus 5 over, what about the denominator here? Millet? Difference of 2 squares. X minus 4, x plus 4 times, and now I'm going to go and flip it. This one's going to go on top. How do I factor that? Ellie? Take out a 2x times what?
X plus 4.
Perfect. And now this one's going to go on the bottom. Coolest. What do I get? What do I do? I can pull out a 2x? Is this one have an x?
Oh, I was looking at the bottom.
I'm sorry, no. I'm looking at this one here. Not just 2. 6. All right. So I'm going to pull out a 6, and that gives me 2x plus 5. Okay. Now I think I'm ready to cancel. Okay. 2x plus 5 with 2x plus 5. X plus 4 with x plus 4. The 2 cancels right here with the 6. This turns into a 3. Is that it? Let me go ahead and multiply. I've got this x up here, and I have this 2x minus 5. So that's x times 2x minus 5 that I still have up there. On the bottom, I've still got this 3 and x minus 4. Do you might see any factors that I can still cancel? Nope. That's it. Do I have to multiply it back in? Nope. But you can. All right. Great job. We got 2 of them in there, Jet, and I still got 7 seconds.